Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can find the total storage size used by games on the Samsung Galaxy 21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings menu, you want to go down and tap on battery and device care. In here, go down and tap on storage, and then tap on the option key and tap on advanced. In here, you will be able to find the total storage size used by the games app. And at the top level here, it has shown that games use up a total of 4.4 gigabytes of data, or not data, sorry, of storage space. And if we tap on the games, it will give you a breakdown of each of the games app. For example, PUBG Mobile uses up 3.64 gigabytes. And this app is not a games app, but I don't know why it's been put into a games app. It is a benchmarking app. It has used up 744 megabytes. And Roblox has used up 290 megabytes. And that's it. And if we look out here, this will give you a total of all the games in the games category. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.